Hi, I am Mubara from Truweight Wellness. Today I am going to talk about a tiny fruit that we cannot live without, lemons. We have used lemons for ages for its relishing flavor and its ability to enhance the flavor of any dish. This tiny fruit is not only flavorsome, but it has innumerable benefits as well. It's loaded with vitamin C, it can boost your immunity, and it is also a good source of soluble fiber. Now, when you add lemon regularly to your diet, it aids in weight loss, it reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases, it can prevent kidney stones and anemia, and even eases your digestive issues. Weight loss and lemon plays a key role in this. It eliminates your body toxins, it keeps the digestive system and liver healthy. You may have heard it before. Nevertheless, we are always stressing it again. The best way to use lemon for weight loss is to make a drink out of it. Mix lemon juice with lukewarm water and then drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Not only will it help you in losing weight, but it also tastes wonderful. Adding to weight loss, lemon aids in healthy digestion. It prevents the accumulation of fats, it lowers the risk of acidity, bloating, and gas. Likewise, it is also a natural liver cleanser. Now, the enzymes present in the lemon water helps in stimulating the liver function, which helps in detoxifying your system. Now, during this process, the liver is cleansed and the waste from your body is eliminated. If you are keen on weight loss, lemon is your best buddy. When on a lemon diet, your food cravings are kept in check since lemon has the potential to also suppress your appetite. Now, this prevents you from binge eating. What more? Lemon has the ability to boost your immune system, to up your energy levels, and keep you hydrated throughout the day. When you do vegetable shopping, just remember to add some lemons to your cart. Bask in the goodness of citrus.